Welcome back to Goku Alpha Calls, and my name is Goku, and right now Bitcoin just completed a classic liquidity grab at $116,500 again and forming a new price structure. Meanwhile, it's hovering around key resistance in the low $120,000 range, while dominance continues to drop, a huge boost for altcoins. Michael Saylor's company, Strategy, bought over 6,000 BTC worth $740 million at around $119,000 each. That brings their total holdings to over 607,000 BTC, a long-term bullish signal. This kind of institutional accumulation doesn't impact price immediately. Large players use smart order execution strategies to avoid spiking or dumping the market. But it reduces circulating supply over time, which is bullish for long-term holders. Zooming out to the weekly Bitcoin chart, the super trend remains green. We're still in a bull market, and the 3-day MACD shows a loss of momentum, but no confirmed bearish signal. A bullish cup-and handle is still in play with a target of $153,000, unless we break below $110,000. On the daily timeframe, Bitcoin is consolidating just under $123,000. That's a known resistance zone, so it's no surprise we're seeing sideways chop here. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we see a symmetrical triangle forming, a classic continuation pattern. Resistance is around $119,200 and support is near $117,400. The apex hits in roughly 2 or 3 days, which means a breakout is imminent. If we break above $119,400 and confirm with a 4-hour candle close, it sets a bullish price target at $125,000, a 5% move. But if we lose $117,400 with a candle close, it triggers a bearish target near $111,800. This is a high probability setup either way, perfect for reactive traders. Watch for the breakout, set a stop just past invalidation, and manage risk. Bitcoin's recent bounce came exactly from the $116,700 level, as we saw using the liquidation heat map. That level had a dense cluster of longs, making it a prime liquidity zone. Now that liquidity is cleared, new clusters are forming. $121,000 has some liquidity, but nothing like before. This means the market is temporarily indecisive. Wait for fresh heat map signals to develop. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance continues its steep decline. This signals a strong altcoin season. Capital is rotating into Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and other alts. Smart traders know this is the time to lean into altcoin plays while Bitcoin consolidates. Now, if you're preparing for the next crypto trade, you need to be set up with a solid exchange. Personally, I use BitUnix. If you use the link below this video, you can claim up to $2,000 in futures bonuses and a $400 deposit bonus just by signing up and depositing. BitUnix is a no KYC exchange, so it's available in most countries, but check your local regulations first. Now, back to the market. Ethereum continues its push toward major resistance between $3,900 and $4,100. That's a psychological barrier and a key fib zone. Expect profit taking around $4,000, but the structure remains bullish. If Ethereum confirms support at $3,700, and holds $3,500 on any dip, the uptrend remains intact. A healthy pullback would be normal before a bigger breakout. Solana is even more explosive. It broke key resistance zone of $199 on the daily close. Solana hit above $200 target. Next key zones to watch for will be $220. Now that Solana has reached its technical target between $191 and $199, if you're in this move, consider taking partial profits at these levels. XRP having reached its all-time highs, it's now targeting the 2.618 Fibonacci level at $4.60 to $4.70. Weekly RSI is showing a possible bearish divergence, but it's not confirmed. The trend remains bullish. On the daily chart, XRP still hovering around $3.40 to $3.50 as support zone. That's bullish structure, and as long as it holds, we remain in breakout mode. If it dips, $3 to $3.10 is next support. With BTC dominance dropping and altcoin strength surging, this is prime altcoin season. Rotate smartly, manage risk, and take profits at resistance. If you're trading, get ready before the next breakout. And as always, if you want to prepare for the next trading opportunity, make sure you're set up on the right crypto exchange. The link below offers major sign-up bonuses for BitUnix, which is no KYC and support traders from almost anywhere. That's everything for today. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.